Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can control sensitive content that you see on Instagram. So first, you are going to select the three lines on top of your profile page like so. The one that looks like a hamburger, that's what they call it. Then you are going to select settings, go to account, and as you can see, there is a sensitive content control. So select that. And this will control how much sensitive content you see from accounts you don't follow. Sensitive content doesn't go against our community guidelines, but refers to topics some people don't want to see. So I have the standard checked. For instance, if you want to see less sensitive content, you're just going to select this. After that, you are going to select confirm. And it's going to be saved like that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.